What up, Daniel Boone families? Coach Mill here. Day 2 on our Fitness of April. If you haven't checked that out yet, it's on the Daniel Boone PE page. And today is Skip Around Your House. Before I do that, we're going to do some stretches with you guys that we do in PE. I'm outside because it's a beautiful day, sitting on my porch. Want to say one thing. Keep those obstacle course videos coming in, man. They impressed me very much how you guys have kind of created your own thing or adding new stuff. It's been really, really cool to watch, and for me, it's been a joy just seeing you guys being active. It looks like you're having fun with your family and siblings. So keep up the good work. So we're first, let's start with some stretches. Put you guys far away. Ugh. Feet together, reach down, touch your toes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One leg in. Can't really see me. Let me see if I can change that. Alright, there we go. One leg in, the other leg out. Grab that toe. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you guys haven't noticed, got my Cardinal gear today. Today will be an opening day for the Cardinals. So supporting our team. Maybe if you guys are watching this, you guys have some Cardinal gear on too as well. All right, let's switch. Other leg. Leg out. Grab that toe. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And let's do butterflies. Bring the feet together. Slight push down on those in part of your legs. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One arm out, other arm underneath, face mask on. If you guys remember doing this, here we go. Pull that across your chest. You should feel a pull on your shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And other arm out, other hand underneath, face mask on, and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so usually we do our push-ups, but we did some arm stuff yesterday, and we'll do our crunches. I think that's another one coming up, so we won't do that. We'll just skip right to our second day of April exercise. Now, you're supposed to sing your favorite song, and I don't have as good of a voice as Miss Donahue, so I don't even want to attempt to embarrass myself. And I'm going to be kind of skipping around my neighborhood. I'm going to go around my truck maybe about 2 or 3 times, but I'll just have a song playing on in the background, and we'll just do it that way. So, give me a second. Turn it that way. There's my truck. Get some tunes. Oops.
Oh, when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall.
Here we go.
Hope when the water rises, you build a wall. Hope when the crowd screams out, you're screaming your name. Hope if everybody runs, you choose to stay. Hope that you fall in love and it hurts so bad.
Keep doing, guys. Right? Keep being active. Keep working. Miss you guys. Can't see you soon. By the way, if you don't know this song, it's called One Republic, I Live. Very good song. Alright? Miss you guys. Be great. Ooh.